What's up guys, it's Brian and I'm going to do a bike check. Okay, so start with the bars. It's my bike. I got the Fit Sky High bars, uncut 29s with the ODI long neck grips. I got the Kink lightest bar ends metal. For my stem, I have a S&M redneck XLT stem. I have for like a year. Down to the FSA impact headset. For my forks, I got the Odyssey CS2 race forks. The Shadow Raptor hub laced to a Orbis rim. Purple Shadow spokes. I got an Animal GLH tire 2.25 with a Shadow Little Ones peg in the front. Down to my cranks, I got raw fly cranks. The Shadow Ravenger pedals, plastic. Got a Fit down low sprocket in purple. The Shadow Conspiracy chain. For my seat, I got a Fit low bolt seat in vinyl with a Hoffman bike seat post and a integrated seat post clamp. For my frame, I got the Fit Benny L frame, black 27.5. For my bottom bracket, I got a United bottom bracket. In the back, I got a Prino mix wheel with black Primo spokes laced to a Prino 7 Series rim, wherever it says. Yeah. And a Animal ASM tire in 195, and a Shadow Little Ones peg. So yeah, it's my bike check, and can't forget the stickers.